What if you could have a compact smartphone that doesn't sacrifice power, battery life, or storage? That's exactly what OnePlus is trying to deliver with its newest release, the OnePlus 13T. Now officially launched in China, the 13T might be smaller than the flagship OnePlus 13, but it packs a surprising punch. At just 6.32 inches, this phone gives people who don't want a huge device a serious alternative. It's not quite as tiny as older phones like the iPhone 13 mini, but in today's world of massive phones, it definitely counts as compact. And the best part? It's loaded with high-end features. Let's talk about what's inside. The OnePlus 13T comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is the same chip found in top-tier phones like the Galaxy S25 series and the original OnePlus 13. That means you're getting flagship-level performance in a smaller body. Plus, there are storage options of 256 GBs, 512 GBs, and even 1 terabyte, along with 12 or 16 GBs of RAM. Yes, that's more memory than many laptops. Now let's talk about what's really getting people excited, the battery. Somehow, OnePlus managed to fit a 6,260 mAh battery into this slim phone. That's larger than the battery in the regular OnePlus 13, and that phone is bigger and heavier. In fact, the OnePlus 13T only weighs 185 grams, which is just a bit more than the Galaxy S25, even though the Galaxy has a much smaller 4,000 mAh battery. So not only is the 13T compact and light, but it also promises some of the best battery life we've ever seen in a phone this size. You also get a bright and smooth display, a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a sharp 2640x1216 pixel resolution. That means everything from videos to scrolling will look clean and fluid. Camera-wise, it might not reach the heights of the OnePlus 13, but it still offers solid performance. There's a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x zoom, and a 16-megapixel selfie camera on the front. For most users, that's more than enough for sharp photos and videos. You're also getting modern extras like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, IP65 water and dust resistance, Android 15, and even a USB Type-C 2.0 port. But there's one feature that really makes the 13T stand out, the new shortcut key. This button replaces OnePlus old alert slider and adds way more customization. You can still silence your phone quickly, but now you can assign it to do other tasks too, like opening an app or switching modes. It's small touches like this that show how OnePlus is trying to evolve its phones in smart, simple ways. Now, let's talk price. In China, the OnePlus 13T starts at 3,399 yuan, which is about 466 US dollars. That gets you the base version with 12 GBs of RAM and 256 GBs of storage. The highest-end model with 16 GBs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage is priced at 4,499 yuan, still under 620 US dollars. Of course, if this phone launches outside of China, especially in the US, don't expect those prices to stay that low. Import taxes, carrier deals, and other factors usually drive the price up. But even if it comes in higher, the OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be one of the most impressive compact phones we've seen in a long time. It brings top specs, a massive battery, and premium features into a small package, and that's something a lot of people have been waiting for. So what do you think? Would you pick the OnePlus 13T over a larger phone like the Galaxy S25 Ultra or even the OnePlus 13? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more updates on the latest smartphones.